Hello everyone. Today I'm going to represent a new video tutorial based on a text editor bracket. Basically, for a web developer and coder, choosing a editor user-friendly, time-consuming is really important, and for that reason, from a professional experience and personal opinion, I'm using bracket for a long time and showing how to install bracket and some cool feature, bracket extension, by which you can expose your coding experiences like the paid version software or editor. And bracket is completely free, and you can use by using this bracket free extension, you will really feel some paid cool feature. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to bracket, and on the browser I'll put my bracket download and go to bracket website. This is a cool feature, a modern text editor, and just download this one. I have this one, and just double click on that. It will start installing. Just install this one. After completing the whole installation process, you will get your bracket feature like this one. It's a simple process. Just double click on that and follow the next step. You will get the bracket feature application. This is all. You will get the bracket basic extension and basic feature. Now it's the real cool feature, and we are going, without wasting the time, we are going to show you how to install bracket extension manager. Just go to file and use this one, bracket extension manager. Double click on that. You will get this portal, available themes, default, and auto save, just press autosave, and autosave file for Windows Black. This extension works like a cool feature. If you forget to save your edit code or something project, it will auto save. Just minimizing it and going to another browser, it will automatically save your code. Okay, just install in here. It will take some time. Installation completed. Okay, for all of you, I am just download step by step everything. After that, we will check each and everything's output. Okay, and after that, AutoPrefixer, this extension just unify and collaborate your code. Like you are writing some CSS and CSS is not looking better, just use on that. I will show you step by step. Install. It will take some time. Now installation completed. After that, I will install Beautify. Beautify is really an awesome extension. Like if you are coding and your code is not looking better and something right left and left right upper below, it's looking some messy look, it will just use that, you will get some cool feature. I will show you step by step. The effect of Beautify. Div call. We have just taken some HTML and this is not looking cool, so to make all the paragraph and code interface indented, just press Ctrl Alt B and it's come automatically in here. This is the feature of beautification. Okay, thank you everyone. Later one, just press bracket WordPress and you will show bracket WordPress hints. This will automatically hints all WordPress plugin and writing code and PHP feature to complete professional looking. It will help you to code correctly and quickly. And I am installing it. Installation successful. And then custom work. CUSTOM, custom work. Create a bar top of each editor, manage them using drag and drop and file path and tooltips. Okay, I will show you all on its feature. After completing the custom work, just it will ask you to save everything perfectly and correctly. Okay, and it will notify your shortcut keys of that, Control MDC, and just save it. After that, we are gonna install image. This is the HTML helper tab. Okay, it will hint you all HTML feature and quick your code and minimize your time. Just install it. Now installation is successful. Okay, image has been installed. After installing the image and previous some code, you will show some different look on index page .html look, HTML looks, main.css, some main CSS3 look, and all sorts of type of file will show you in that way, following this previous extension. Okay, now I am going to show you the another plugin which is called indent. Indent guides. Indent guides show you the coding line uppercase and range, coding range from starting from a div and ending from the div. We will sometimes face issues like a professional editing. It will really helpful. Just install it. I am installing it. Installation is successful. Okay, indent. Just I'm gonna install another cool feature which is called minimap. To minimap show you a small version of code in the right of the screen and it can be used quickly to scroll. Basically, in this feature in right side, in this feature we will show you some whole code top to bottom is cute small minimap. How much range we have coded. Okay, just install on it. Installation is successful, and after that we are using free open source bracket. But how about we get our text editor like a professional look, like Visual Studio paid or Macintosh and something like dark moded and many more things. So for that reason we will install a theme. Just click on theme and write VISUAL, Visual Studio Dark. We have got already. Just install it. installation successful. And another sweet cute pack has this sweet dark. Okay, just install it. Installation is successful. Now it's time to Boomba to look how we have changed our bracket interface and what process system. Just close on that, just press escape. We have it. Now everyone, just look our coding interfaces. We have got some new features like image to code HTML quickly. We have get already the internal sources, internal logo. Okay, now it's time to enjoy. Now it's time to enabling our extension. Just go on edit, enable this one. Now just make a restart. Just save it and reboot your browser. Now it's time to show you theme pack, view, themes. This is the defaults, and this below to what we have installed. Done. Boom. Look at your professional. And this is the feature of minimap. Just this one, click this one, click this one. This is the work behind the minimap, and this is the image. Now I'm showing the actual feature of image. Just body, put dot. You need one zip, answer, order list, and a anchor tag. Just put nav. Just put nav equal li n23 n2a. Just tab it. Press tab. You will got already this one. Automatical div between class and you unorder list, and this one. This is the feature of image. If can't work, just click enable image, and this is the video file. Okay, if you want to create like a new file, save. Main.js, just check how it gonna work. We have already got JS file and its logo. Okay, this is CSS and this is HTML minimap version. All this feature. Okay, thank you everyone. This is the cool feature of all extension. If you follow all my steps, you will get some like cool interfaces and quick process of working interface of bracket. Thank you everyone.